Okay, chord spacing. Between 1 and 2 is A. Between 2 and 3 is B. Between 3 and 4 is C. Between 4 and 5 is D. Between 5 and 6 is E. A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, this is the double X knot by SFS Weaver. You can follow him on Instagram and it'll be at the end of the tutorial. All right, for this type of setup, I'm going to show you how to do that type of knot there, and I've already shown this in a couple of tutorials. You're going to come up B and D, and then you're going to go down C with both chords. Your right to the right and your left to the left. It makes it sturdier with these two chords in the center. Then what you do is, for this specific knot, you're going to come up E on the right, and you're going to come up A on the left. And that's our initial setup, which is up here. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so we're going to start with our right strand of chord. We're going to go around, out through E, down through C, and out through A. And don't tighten up yet. So it's going to be like that. We're going to grab our left chord. We're going to go underneath the right strand, or below it, out through A, down through C, and we're going to come out through E in between the right strand. So it's going to look like this. Okay, so we're going to pull out through A, and then pull the slack. We're going to pull out through E, and then pull the slack. And I should probably do it the other way around. Okay, so our next step, we're going to grab both strands. We're going to go down C, and we're going to come out through E on the right and through A on the left. So we're going to go down C and out through A on the left. Okay, so that's our first knot. Let's do a couple. We're going to go with our right strand around, out through E, and remember to keep it loose, down through C, and out through A. With our left strand, we're going to go around and below the right chord, out through A, and in between the chord, down through C, and out through E. And once again, let's push it up. I'm going to do it with the right chord. All right, let's pull the slack. And I'm going to pull through A. And then I'll pull the slack. Then we're going to go down through C. Let's do it one at a time. With our right chord, we're going to go down through C and out through E. With our left chord, we're going to go down through C and out through A. Okay, let's do two more. We're going to grab our right chord, we're going to go around and out through E. We're going to go down through C and out through A. And once again, I repeat, don't tighten up the chord. Okay, we grab our left chord, we're going to go underneath, the right strand out through A, and then in between, we're going to go down through C over here and out through E. And I'm going to pull the cord out through E and then pull the slack. I'm going to pull the cord coming out through A and then pull the slack. Let's tighten it up. All right, let's grab our right cord. We're going to go down through C and out through E. Going to grab our left cord. We're going to go down through C and out through A. That's pretty much our knot. All right, let's do one more, or our final one. All right, we're going to go around, out through E, down through C, and out through A. I'm going to grab our left cord. We're going to go below, around, and out through A, down through C, and out through E. And it's between the right strand. I'll show you one more time. Okay, let's push it up. I'm going to pull the cord coming out through E, and then pull the slack. Then I'm going to pull the cord coming out through A, and then pull the slack. Tighten it up. Going to grab our right cord. We're going to go down through C and out through E. I'm going to grab our left cord. We're going to go down through C and out through A. That's our bracelet. Take it to the end and have fun.